Alright, so today we'll be looking at the fall of ancient Greece. So our objectives are to identify the three underlying causes for the fall of the Athenians from power, detail the events surrounding the trial and death of Socrates, understand the role of the plague in the Peloponnesian War had on Athens, demonstrate an understanding of the contributions of Alexander the Great in the Hellenistic Age. So three events are going to lead to the downfall of the Golden Age in Greece. In addition, we'll see a young leader from Macedonia named Alexander is going to reshape the world. Alright, first, the trial of Socrates. Socrates criticized many leaders and politicians, and Socrates was put on trial in Athens in 339 BC. Alright, he was accused of corrupting the youth of Athens and abandoning the gods, or creating other gods. He had embarrassed many wealthy and powerful men who wished to humble him. They asked for a formal apology from Socrates. Alright, and in a speech called The Apology, Socrates did not apologize to the Senate. He's going to be found guilty and sentenced to death. And many saw this as the symbolic end of Athens. Socrates is going to be forced to take a poison hemlock, and that's how he dies. Next, the plague of Athens. Cause for the fall of the Greeks. Second cause for the fall of the Greeks. A deadly plague broke out in Athens in 430 BC. It ripped free the city and it killed thousands. Men will be seized first with intense heat of the head, sneezing, and severe coughing. When it settled on the stomach, vomits of bile ensued. Patients died, as most of them did on the 7th or 9th day. This is an excerpt from The Plague of Athens. The Plague in Athens by Thucydides in 430 BC. Third cause is the Peloponnesian War. This is a war between Athens and Sparta. Athens had begun expanding territories, and this was threatening to the allies of Sparta. And in 404 BC, the Spartans forced the surrender of Athens. The entire Greek world will continue to decline after this. In 330 BC, the king of Macedonia, Alexander, began to exert his control over the Greek peninsula. Tutored by Aristotle and trained in war by his father, Alexander was a very strong leader. And in 330 BC, Alexander the Great defeated the Persian king Darius III. Alexander goes on to conquer the known world. The extent of Alexander's empire is seen above. He spread Greek culture or Hellenistic culture throughout the east, all the way into India. Alexander was great because he never lost a battle, and he united the east and the west, and he's going to spread the Greek culture with the east. Okay? Alright, and that is everything you need to know.